those are verticals. That means that you're doing well, this is a welding rod. See? With my can up. And you hook it up to that right there. That's called a stinger. See, those are my verticals right there. See that? That's a little faux pas. Don't worry about that. See, you go straight up, just like that. See? See that? Now, I'm going to do this side right here. Here, all the way to there. Right. This right here, see all that right there? That's probably the best you're going to see from me for right now. I don't know how the other side going to look, right? But I'll let you know. Matter of fact, I'm going to go get my teacher, and I'm going to show him. I'm going to see what he think. That's him right there. That's my teacher. Alright, so when he finished. What's up, man? Okay. Well, he said hold on 1 second. But when he come back, he probably like that. I should have tried weld with the alright. I'm gonna see if I can weld with like one hand. So y'all can see. Hold up. Alright, I'm gonna try that. Well, I don't know how. Alright, we're gonna take his advice and listen to what he gotta say. Go ahead. I just don't know how to lay it. You know how you overlay it?
Yeah, we're going all to one side. You need to be. Yeah, look at this. Let me try it.
Alright, that'll work. He gonna draw me a picture. That's all I need. Alright, look.
You're running them like all out on one side, right? You need to put one there and then go from like the center of that weld to there. And you want to fuse like this side, this, and this end. And your next pass would be there. You want to put there, put one there. And you might want to throw one in there. But you build it up like that. It's like the end of each layer, it's like one big weld, right? Like each one is like one big weld. Everything's all fused together to solid.